Right. Good evening, everyone. Online students, good evening. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Can you respond in the chat? Online students, please check. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Please respond in the chat, guys. Perfect. All right. So you can hear me and you can see the screen. All right. So let us start our session here today. So, guys, yes, before starting our sessions, as always, let us just try to have a very, very small and a quick recap of the concepts which I had covered in our last class. Now, guys, last 3 days onwards, we have discussed about constructors, right? So we know that constructor is used to initialize an object. We know that constructors are used to provide the values for the instance variables. There are two rules for writing a constructor, like constructor name should be same as class name and constructor should not be having any return type. So when you're speaking about types of constructors also, two types of constructors are there, like default constructor and parameterized constructor. So yesterday, I already said this, guys. From today onwards, I'm going to address non-parameterized constructor also as default constructor. So default constructor and parameterized constructor, right? So now, guys, how can we call a constructor? A constructor can be called simultaneously whenever we are creating an object. So we already seen that, like how to call a constructor also we already covered. And then very important key points, very important key points, like the first key point is we are supposed to initialize an object. I repeat, we are supposed to initialize the object with the available constructors present in our program. That is very important point, guys. So if the constructor is available in our program, with the help of that constructor only, we need to initialize an object. And yes, if we are not writing any constructor, I repeat, if we are not writing any constructor, that is either parameterized or non-parameterized constructor, then by default, compiler will be providing our program with a default constructor. So when you're speaking about this default constructor, there is a chance of occurring default constructor in our program two ways. First one is it will be provided by the compiler. Second one is it will be provided by the programmer. For the default constructor provided by the compiler, I repeat, for the default constructor provided by the compiler, there is an option to only two access modifiers. What are those? Public and default. Why? Because whatever the class is having, the same access modifier will be appended to the default constructor, which is provided by the compiler. Like we have already discussed that. And if the default constructor is provided by the programmer, actually we can use all the four access modifiers. And we have already seen what is the use of a private constructor. Private constructor. What is the use of a private constructor? If you are declaring our constructor as private, we can restrict creating an object of our class in other classes. In the same class, we can get, but in other classes, we cannot. Why? Because what is the scope of private access modifier? Within the class. Within the class. And yes, just like void methods, we can write a return statement also inside a constructor, but we should not return anything. So these are all the concepts which are already covered in our constructors, and very important differences, guys. In any Java interview, it may be a fresher interview or else an experienced interview, differences literally plays a very crucial role. Such differences, one of the most expected difference is what is the difference between constructor and a method. Without learning these differences, we should not go to a Java interview. For example, I believe in 10th class, in physics examinations, I don't know about your batch, when I'm doing like my 10th class, in physics examinations, last question is 10 marks question will be there. That is diagram question. And that diagram, actually two types of diagrams are there. One is vernier calipers, second one is screw gauge. Do you also have those things? 100% any one diagram will be getting it. For example, last year if they gave screw gauge, this year they will give vernier calipers, or else they may give screw gauge also. So without knowing those two diagrams, we should not be going to like attend that exam. Why? Because gunshot, we know that any one of the diagram will be coming. Like that, differences. Constructor. What is the difference between constructor and a method? One of the gunshot differences. There is a huge possibility for you to get this question. Like differences between constructor and a method, difference between private method and a final method, difference between overloading, overriding, differences between string buffer, string builder, differences between finally, finalize, difference between an error and an exception, difference between set and list, difference between array list and a vector, difference between comparable and comparator. Like that, there will be some differences. Nearly 10 to 15 differences will be there. Without preparing those 10 to 15 differences, we should not be dared to go to a Java interview. Why? Because they need to ask. We will ask those differences. Such kind of differences. What is the difference between constructor and a method? Previously, we had already covered this kind of difference. That is, what is the difference between C, C++, and Java? Like that, one more difference, that is, what is the difference between constructor and a method? So please make sure you are supposed to give at least minimum 3 points for the difference between a constructor and a method. This is clear, guys? So these are all the concepts which we have covered in our last 2 to 3 days of our session. Now today, guys, today's concept, trust me, it will be very interesting. The concept is very simple concept. You'll think that, sir, this is very easy concept, but you'll understand. You'll understand. Trust me when I say this, right? Okay. Now, today's concept is Java operators. Today's concept is Java operators. Java operators, right? Now, guys, mainly in Java, there are 4 types of operators are there. Mainly, there are 4 types of operators are there. First one is increment or decrement operator. INCREMENT, increment or decrement operator. Increment or decrement operator. Second one is arithmetic operators. Arithmetic OPERATORS, arithmetic operators. Third one is relational operators. Relational operators. Finally, fourth one is logical operators. Logical operators. So mainly there are 4 types of operators are there: increment or decrement operator, arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operators. Today we will be discussing about increment or decrement operator. Sir, increment or decrement operator, that concept is very, very simple. Why you are taking completely one entire session for this increment or decrement operators? Yeah, wait for it. Wait for it. After the ending of our session, you will understand why I am taking entirely this one complete day for this increment or decrement operators. So basically, what are these increment or decrement operators? So guys, when you're speaking about increment operator and decrement, DECREMENT, decrement operator, there are 2 types of increment operators are there. 2 types. First one is pre-increment and second one is post increment. POST, post, INCREMENT, pre increment and post increment. Just like this, just like this. When you're speaking about decrement operator also, decrement operator also, there are actually two types of decrement operators are there, like pre-decrement and post-decrement. Pre-decrement, pre-decrement and post-decrement. Pre-decrement and post-decrement. Right, right. Just let me try to have a small error like this. Okay, decrement operator. Now, these are increment operators, and actually this is decrement operators. Now when you're speaking about increment or decrement operator, increment operator symbol is just we need to write plus 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 plus, symbol is plus plus. Okay, now decrement operator, we need to write minus minus. Right. Plus plus, this is the symbol for increment operator, and minus minus, this is the symbol for decrement operator. I mean, very, very simple concept. Now, what is the use of this plus plus operator? You know, plus plus will make or else will add one number. It will add one number. Minus minus means it will subtract one number, just only one value. For example, please check this. Right. Let me just try to have a method, void method one. Now I'm gonna take a variable int a equal to 10. By the way, how many types of variables are there? Come on. Three types. What are those? Instance, static, and local. Now, what is this variable? What is this variable? Local variable, right? Okay. Now, a plus plus system.out.println a. Now just let me go to my main method. Now inside my main method, new class a dot method one. So okay, I'll do one thing. Just let me try to print a first. After that, I mean, this is before incrementing, this is after incrementing. Now here, what is my output? 10. Here, what is my output? 11. Perfect. Perfect. Right click, run as Java application. Yeah, 10 and 11. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. For example, if I'm having decrement operator a minus minus and system.out.println a. Now, what is my output here? I mean, here, what is my output? 10. Here, what is my output? 11. Here, what is my output? 10. Perfect. Very simple. Right click, run as Java application. I'll be getting my output as like this: 10, 11, and 10. So basically, what increment operator will do? It will add one number. What decrement operator will do? It will subtract one number. Simple as this. That's it. Not more than that. Up to now, is it clear, guys, for everyone? Online students, kindly please respond. Up to now, is it clear, guys? Up to now. Respond. Very, very simple concept. Okay, very good. Do me a favor, guys. Can you please have this method for me? Please have this method. Please have this. Increment operator and decrement operator. Please have this. Guys, at line number 7, after executing line number 7, what is A value? After executing line number 7, what is A value? 10. Respond. 10. After executing line number 9, what is A value? 11. Exactly. A value got updated. A value got updated to 11. And after executing line number 11, A value is 10. Right. Please have this. Completed? Very good. So increment operator will add one number. Decrement operator will subtract one number. Just only one value. Just only one. Right. Now. Completed, guys? Right. Perfect. Right. Types of increment operator. How many types of increment operators are there? Two types. What are those? Pre-increment and post-increment. Now, guys, for 5 minutes, I need your complete concentration. Just for 5 minutes. Or else you will have this doubt. Like you will not be understanding what is this increment and decrement operator. Sir, what is there to understand? It's already completed. No, this is just a warm-up. This is a warm-up. Now starts. 5 minutes. Once again, I'm saying you 5 minutes. Increment operator. When you are speaking about increment operator, there are two types of increment operators are there. Pre-increment and post-increment. Pre-increment means, please listen, Pre-increment means before accessing the variable value, it will be getting incremented. I repeat, pre-increment means before accessing the variable value, its value will be incremented. Post-increment means after accessing the variable value, then it will be getting incremented. Means, for example, system.out.println SYSO system.out.println A plus plus system.out.println A. Now, line number 8. Guys, just think like a compiler. Okay, just think like compiler. Okay, yeah. Every Java program execution starts from main method. Online students, please listen to this clearly. Again, I'm requesting you. Please listen to this concept clearly, guys. Right? Okay. Now, just think like a compiler. Now, yes, every Java program execution starts from main method. Yeah, in line number 13, we are trying to create an object with the help of new keyword and initializing that object with the help of a constructor. Which constructor? Default constructor, which is provided by the compiler. Okay, that's entirely another scenario. Anyways, we are having this object and we are trying to call our method 1. So from line number 13, I repeat, think like a compiler, please. From line number 13, our compiler will be directly going to line number 5. All right. Int A equal to 10. It's a variable. What is A value? Respond. Line number 8. system dot out dot println A. What is A value? Will be printed. Will be printed. Now, after that, line number 9, system dot out dot println A. Come on. Means what should be printed? 10 will be printed first. Are you understanding me? Guys, you are accessing A value. You are trying to print A value. After printing A value in the console, then A value will be incremented. What is this increment known as? Post increment. Post increment means right now in the console, we will be getting our output as, come on, output as 10. And after printing A value as 10, actually what is A value? A value will be incremented to 11. So right now, if I execute my program in my console, what is my output? 10 and 10. Is this clear, guys, for everyone? Online students, kindly please respond. Guys, kindly please respond. Did you understand this concept? Did you understand this concept? See, at line number 8, A value is 10. Yeah, 10 will be printed. At line number 9, system.out.println A. First, you are accessing A value. First, you are accessing A value. After accessing A value, then A value got incremented. So right now, if we execute our program, we will be getting our output as 10 and 10. Now, for example, system.out.println A. Come on, tell me. Now, what is my entire output? Entire output 10, 10, 11. Are you understanding me here, guys? Please check this. Right click, run as Java application and see 10, 10, and then 11. For example, system.out.println plus A. Wait for it. Here, what is our output? 11. What is actually A value? 11 or 10? It got updated, right? Come on, guys, yes or no? Okay, now line number 11, system.out.println. Are we accessing A value first, or else first we are trying to increment A value? Exactly. First we are incrementing A value and then we are accessing. This is known as pre-increment. So here, can you please tell me what is our output? I'm sorry, what? 12. And what is A value here, guys? A value is also 12. Right click, run as Java application. This will be our output. Is this clear, guys, for everyone? Online students, guys, kindly please respond. Up to now, is it clear, guys, for everyone? Up to now. Pratmesh, I already said this, Pratmesh. Listen clearly. Once again, I'm repeating, guys. Please, online students, please listen to this. Right now, here, what we are doing here is actually post increment, post increment, and here what we are doing here is pre-increment. MENT, pre-increment. What is the what post increment will do, what pre-increment will do, or what is the use of this pre and post increment? Guys, very simple. Post increment. First, you will be accessing the value of the variable, then the value will be incremented. Pre-increment means before accessing A value, you are incrementing it. Are you understanding me? For example, simply, for example, let me just try to take void. Okay, just let me try to take int. Okay, x int x equal to just let me go with 100. Now listen, please listen, please listen. Int x equal to 100. Now int y equal to x plus plus system.out.println x value. Just let me go with like x plus x value x value, and after that system.out.println y value y value y value plus y. Now what is my output here? Take time. What is my output here? What is my output here? What is my output here? No. Wrong. Your output is wrong. Your output is wrong. Come on, tell me, what is my output? What is my output? What is my output? 101. Why? How? Let me explain you. Guys, at line number 13, listen. Please listen. After executing line number 13, what is X value? Perfect. Now, line number 14, right? Y equal to X. First, you are assigning X value to Y. What is that increment? Pre-increment or post-increment? I'm sorry, what? What do you mean by post-increment? First, you will access the value, then you are incrementing the value. Are you understanding me? So, right now, tell me, what is Y value? Exactly. Come on, tell me, what is Y value? Y value is 100, and after that, X value is 101. Are you understanding me here, guys? Now, here, tell me what is our output. Come on. 101, and here what is our output? Right click, run as Java application. X value is 101 and Y value is 100. Are you understanding me? For example, let me try to go with int z equal to plus x. Think and answer correctly. Think and answer correctly. Take time. Take time. It's okay to take time. Let me just try to get it like this. And this is Z value. Now this is Z. Tell me what is my output. First output. I mean X value. 101 or 102? Now did you understand what is this increment and decrement operators? Come on, tell me. 101 or 102? 102. Why 102? Guys, here already it got incremented to 101. Am I right or wrong? Now Z equal to plus X. What is X value? Already 101. So it will be incremented and then assigned to Z. So Z equal to, come on, tell me, 102, and after that X value will be 102. So right now, what is my output here? 102. What is Y value? What is Y value? 100. And what is Z value? Right click, run as Java application 102, 100 and 102. Did you understand the concept here, guys? Pre-increment and post-increment. Post-increment means after accessing the variable value, then that variable will be incremented. Pre-increment means before accessing the variable value, it will be incremented. Is this clear, guys? Now, the same applies for exactly same applies for pre-decrement and post-decrement. Means just let me try to take int m equal to, just let me try to go with like 25. Int m equal to 25 and now int n equal to minus m. Now, after that, system.out.println, just let me go with m value, value, m value plus m, and just let me try to go with n value plus n. Now, tell me, here what is my output? 20? Okay, here what is my output? 20? 24 or 25? Are you sure? Last chance. Right click, run as Java application. Perfect. Perfect. Did you understand the concept here, guys? So M value is here, it is 25. So when you're coming to line number 21, N equal to minus. What is that decrement? Pre-decrement or post-decrement? Exactly, pre-decrement. So 25, already M value is 25. It will be decremented to 24 and then, and of course, M value is also equal to 24. For example, just let me go with int O equal to M minus. Now tell me what is my output. Just a sec. Let me try to go like this. This is O value and this is also O. Now tell me here what is my output? 20? (23 or 24? 23 or 24? Okay, how many of you will say 24? Raise your hands. Feel free. It's okay. Feel free. Raise your hands. 24. Okay, down. Guys, please listen to this. Here, M value is 25. All right. Here, N equal to minus M. So what is M value? Previously, it is 25. And you are decrementing that 25 to 24 and assigning it to N. So after executing line number 21, N value is 24. And what is M value? What is M value? Exactly. Remember that. M value is 24. Okay. Now, 0 equal to, O equal to, int O equal to M. Just M. What is M value? Will be assigned. And after that, what is this, guys? Which decrement? Pre-decrement or post-decrement? Post-decrement. After accessing M value, then we are decrementing it. So already M value is 24. It will be decremented to 23. Is it clear, guys? Guys, please respond yes or no. Is it clear? Right. Now, so tell me, what is my output here? 20? Are you sure? Okay, what is my output here? 24. What is my output here? Right click, run as Java application. 23, 24, and 24. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Kindly please have this program for me. Please have this program. Online students, I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Vamsi, concept on the topic. Later, I'll discuss that. Shortcuts, I already said this. First concept on the topic, Nana. Vamsi. Why today strength is less? Saturday. Come on, guys. I already said, yesterday only I said this. Guys, don't miss today's class. Today's class is very interesting, I said. Lot of people will be having confusion regarding this increment and decrement operator. But by today's ending of the session, I promise you will be getting a clear idea here. And online students, once again, I'm requesting you, please don't miss the sessions and have a proper internet connection, guys. Have a proper internet connection. If your internet connection is not clear, you will not understand the concept. And if you ask me to repeat means, it will be a trouble. So please have a proper internet connection. Use shortcuts and get ready for a task. Done. Guys, increment and decrement operators, this particular concept, we will use this concept to twist the candidate in interview. Yes, we'll use this concept. I'll give you a small task right now. Try to give me the output correctly. Okay, I hope it's done, guys. How many are writing? Raise hands, please. Writing. Oh, carry on. Please carry on. Carry on. Use shortcuts. I hope it's done. All right. All right. Now, removing this. Guys, can I remove? Right. I'm removing this. Task time. Please wait. Don't write the program. First, please wait. Let me just try to write the program and then before going to task, just one more small concept I want to discuss. Just a small concept. Okay. Now, please observe. Guys, please observe. Please observe. Voice behind. Please observe. Please observe. Okay. Buddy, observe here beside the pillar. Yeah. Please observe. Now, A equal to A plus plus system dot out dot println A plus 20. What is my output? What is my output? Remember, pre-increment, post-increment. Directly don't see increment only. You need to observe whether it is pre-increment or post-increment. Please observe it. Tell me. Right. Guys, let me. A equal to like this. Before this plus, we are having some value. After this plus, we are having some value. Okay. What is the value which is present after the plus? We don't have any doubt here. We don't have any doubt. Now, A equal to A. What is A value? This is actually the calculation. 10 plus 20. What is the output here, guys? Now tell me what is A value? Right click, run as Java application 30. Sir, what about this plus plus? It will be ignored. It will be ignored. Why it will be ignored? Now listen, please listen, please listen. For example, let me just try to write int b equal to a plus plus, and here I'm trying to go with system.out.println b. Now tell me, What is my output at line number 9? What is my output at line number 9? What is my output at line number 9? Guys, think clearly. We are assigning B. Int B equal to A plus 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 20. Observe it. Think clearly. Please respond. What is my output at line number 9? 10 or 11? 10 or 11. Guys, okay. Let me. Hang on. Please check this. Please check this. Tell me one thing. Tell me, guys, please respond. B equal to, tell me. I mean, A. Am I right or wrong? What is A value? Okay. Plus 20. Am I right or wrong? 20. What is B value? Actually, after assigning 10 here, A value is getting incremented. Am I right or wrong? Now tell me what is A value? Previously, I am assigning this to A only. Are you understanding the concept here? Let me show you. Let me show you. Right now, I will be getting my output as 11. Here, what is this? This is A value plus A, and this is B value plus B. Now, right click, run as Java application. Oops, sorry, my mistake. Now, right click, run as Java application. This is my output. For example, please check this. Int x equal to 100, x equal to x plus 100. Now system.out.println x value perfect. Did you understand the concept here? So here my output will be 200. Sir, what about this increment operator? It will be ignored. Are you understanding me here, guys? Right now, x value will be 200. For example, int y equal to 100, y equal to plus y plus 100. Now, system.out.println y value plus y. Now tell me what is my output here. I'm sorry? 201 or 200? So, did you understand the difference between pre-increment and post-increment? Please check this. Right click, run as Java application. We'll be getting our output as 201. Please have this program also. Please have this. I already said this, guys. Increment and decrement operator, people will be thinking that it is very, very easy, but it is, trust me, complicated one. Come on. Please have this program and get ready for a task. Done? Okay, guys, is it done? Anyone writing, please raise hands. Anyone writing? Please, please. Guys, if you're writing, please respond. So no. If you say no, I will wait. Even if one person is also trying to write, just say no. I will wait. It's okay. And online students, please make sure you are messaging me in the chat. Once you have done writing, please try to message me in the chat. Completed? 10 seconds. Please use shortcuts. Please use shortcuts. Complete, Tali. Boys, done? Perfect. Girls, completed? Done. Right, right. Now, right. Guys, now, please have this program and try to guess the output. Please have this program and try to get the output. Krishna, pre-increment means first the value will be incremented, then it will be assigned. Post increment means before incrementing the value, you are accessing its value. Manish, first write the program, buddy. First write the program, then try to give me the output, please. Guys, when you are showing me the output, if I say no, don't give up. Please check where is the mistake. Please check where is the mistake. Okay, let me check my online students' outputs also. Right. Online students, try to give all your outputs in one message. Then only I can analyze. Okay. One single message. Right. I'm saying the people who gave the correct outputs. Names I'm saying. Shantanu, perfect. Muhammad Ibrahim, perfect. Gopal, perfect. Don't repeat the messages, guys. Up to now, only these names are correct. All other are wrong. All others are wrong. Wrong. I just said who are correct. The names I said who are correct. Come on, try to give all your messages in one single, all your outputs in one single message. It's okay to take time. It's okay to take time. No, all are wrong. Wrong. Check it clearly. Check it clearly. Now, let me check my offline students' outputs also. Guys, show me if completed. All right, all right, all right. Time's up, guys. Time's up. Time's up. Now, online students. Yes. Guys, I'm seeing your outputs. That is good. That is good. Lot of people gave me wrong outputs. Lot of people gave me the wrong outputs. Okay. Now, let me show you the output. Correct output. The correct output is right click. Just a sec. Let me have some water here. Right. Okay. So let's go. Right click, run as. Let us check. Let us check. Now, did you understand increment and decrement operators concept? Please don't think that it is simple. No way. That is the only reason I said entire session I'll take for increment and decrement operators. Right. Shall I explain this? Let's go. Guys, please help me out. Simultaneously, let us try to analyze this. Okay, guys, stop discussing. Stop discussing. Please stop discussing. After this explanation, I want to give you one more task. So please. Thank you. Right. Now, guys, let us try to analyze this. Now, okay, int a equal to 10. Fine. After executing line number 8, a value will becomes 11. Right. Listen. Now, system.out.println plus a means, is it pre-increment or post-increment? What is a value? 11. Previously a value is 11. So here it will be incremented. So in the console 12 will be printed and a value is also 12. That is our first output. Second one. Okay. Now system.out.println plus a. Okay. What is a value? 12. So plus means 13. So in the console 13 will be printed and a value is also actually 13. Same will be getting here. Now, right. System.out.println a. What is a value? In the console 13 will be printed and after printing a, after accessing a, we are incrementing a value. What is this increment known as? Pre-increment or post-increment? Exactly. This is post-increment. So a value will be 14. In the console, a value will be 13. But after printing a value as 13, a value will be incremented to 14. Right. Line number 12. After executing line number 12, what is a value? A value will be 15. 14. 14 or 15? 15. Right. Now, after executing line number 12, a value will be 15. Right. System.out.println. What is that? 15 will be printed. In the console, 15 will be printed. And after that, a minus. What is the decrement? Pre-decrement or post-decrement? So a value will be 14. Right. Now, exactly. System.out.println a. That is 14 will be printed. And yes, of course, a value is still 14 only. Right. In line number 15, a value will be 13. A value will be 13. Right. In line number 16, plus plus. Pre-increment or post-increment? Pre-increment. So already A value is 13. Previously, A value is 13. It will be incremented to 14. So here it will be 14, and actually A value is also 14. Pre-increment or post-increment? Exactly. Now after that, minus pre-decrement. A value is 14, so it will be decremented to 13, and A value is also 13. At line number 17, after executing line number 17, what is A value? Perfect. Now here, first A equal to plus. Let us check. Guys, please tell me. A. What is A value? Exactly. A value is 13. Okay. After that, plus plus means A value will be incremented to. Come on, tell me. Are you understanding me? First, we are accessing A. A value is 13. After that, plus plus means A value will be incremented to 14. Now plus plus again plus A. What is previously A value? 14. 14 plus 1, that is 15. Now 13 plus 15 equal to how much? Did you understand this concept? 28. That is, we are assigning it to A. That is exactly what we are getting here as the output. Is this clear, guys, for everyone? Right. Ready for one more task? Online students, I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Deepthi Ranjan, is this clear, Nana? Please respond. Please respond. Yes. Yes. Perfect. Now tell me, easy task or complicated? Are you sure? Okay, I'll do one thing. First, I just want to give you a small warm up, and then still if you want complicated, then I'll give you complicated task. Okay? Right. Just a sec. You always want complicated task, right? Okay, please. This is okay. I can give you this. Come on. Please have this program and try to get the output. Don't give me fast output. Sorry. Please. Don't give fast output. Give me correct output. At every line, the data will be changed. So please check that correctly. That's what, Bhargavi, I already said this. Plus plus is plus. Plus minus is minus. Manish, same rules apply there. Same rules, same rules. Guys, at line number 11, this is not increment operators. I hope you're understanding me. Plus and plus. What you will get? That's what. Go ahead. Go ahead. Praveen, wrong answer. Deepthi, wrong answer. Raghu, perfect. Impressed. Very good, Raghu. Nice. Anyone completed? Offline students? Right. Now, all right, guys, output. Wait. Hold on. The output for this program is try to get this in Eclipse and check. Please check this. Please check this. Please check this and then know the output. Okay. That's it, guys. That's it for today. That's it for today. And check it in Eclipse. Check it in Eclipse. Done. Time's up. Time's up. Check this in Eclipse. And online students, I got your program outputs. That is good. That is good. That is good. Vamsi, you should be having some patience or else come to offline. Okay. Have some patience. Have some patience, please. Right? Why? Because in online, I'll be having 273, 280 students will be there. For all people, if I'm saying right or wrong means, just guess. Our core Java will not be completed within promised time. Right? I'm seeing your outputs. I'm seeing the outputs. Please have some patience. Right. Yeah, guys, online students, I got your outputs, guys. I got your outputs. Most of the people gave the right answers. But why, as I'm saying, kindly please try to get that check in Eclipse. Please check in Eclipse, guys, please. Okay. Good job. Good job, guys. Good job. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed our today's session. We'll be trying to continue our session again by Monday. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening.